Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Today's topic, the tomato, a staple in kitchens around the world. But how did this humble fruit achieve such global domination? The story begins in the Andes Mountains of South America. The Inca and Aztec civilizations were the first to cultivate tomatoes. They recognized their culinary and medicinal value, incorporating them into their diets and rituals. European explorers arriving in the Americas encountered this vibrant fruit. Initially met with suspicion, the tomato slowly gained acceptance. From these humble beginnings, the tomato began its journey to become a global culinary icon. Tomatoes are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. Vitamin A contributes to healthy vision, skin, and cell growth. Tomatoes are also a good source of potassium, vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure. But the star of the show is lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet is a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Scientific research continues to uncover the remarkable health benefits of tomatoes. Studies have shown that lycopene may help protect against sunburn and skin damage caused by UV radiation. Furthermore, compounds in tomatoes have been found to improve blood vessel function, reducing the risk of blood clots. Researchers are also exploring the potential of tomatoes in fighting neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. These discoveries highlight the complex and powerful nature of this humble fruit. The future of tomato research is promising, with scientists continually uncovering new ways to harness its health-promoting properties. Section 4, Sustainable Farming. Cultivating tomatoes for a healthier planet. As the demand for tomatoes grows, so does the need for sustainable farming practices. Farmers are adopting innovative techniques to minimize their environmental impact. One such technique is the use of biofertilizers, which utilize beneficial microorganisms to enhance soil fertility without the harmful effects of synthetic fertilizers. Another focus is on developing heat-tolerant tomato varieties that can thrive in changing climates. These advancements ensure a consistent and sustainable supply of tomatoes for generations to come. By supporting sustainable farming practices, we can enjoy delicious tomatoes while protecting our planet. Section 5, The Future of Tomatoes, Innovation and Global Impact. The future of tomatoes is bright. Scientists are using CRISPR technology to develop tomatoes with enhanced flavor, nutritional value, and disease resistance. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize tomato production and consumption worldwide. Imagine biting into a tomato that is even sweeter, juicier, and more flavorful than ever before. Beyond taste, CRISPR can enhance the nutritional content of tomatoes, making them even healthier. Imagine tomatoes fortified with essential vitamins and minerals, addressing nutritional deficiencies globally. The possibilities are endless. Through innovation and collaboration, we can unlock the full potential of tomatoes to nourish and sustain our growing population. Section 6, Celebrating the Tomato, a versatile fruit for every occasion. The tomato is more than just a fruit, it's a culinary chameleon. From salads to sauces, soups to sandwiches, the tomato's versatility knows no bounds. Its tangy sweetness adds depth and complexity to countless dishes. Imagine the tang of a fresh salsa, the comforting warmth of tomato soup, or the juicy burst of flavor in a caprese salad. Tomatoes are the heart of many beloved dishes, bringing families and friends together around the table. Whether enjoyed fresh, cooked, or processed, tomatoes add a touch of magic to every meal. Section 7. A call to action. Embrace the goodness of tomatoes. In a world facing numerous health and environmental challenges, the tomato stands as a beacon of hope. Its nutritional power, combined with sustainable farming practices and scientific advancements, makes it a true gift from nature. I urge you to embrace the goodness of tomatoes, incorporate them into your diet, support sustainable farming practices, and stay informed about the latest scientific discoveries. Together, we can celebrate the tomato's remarkable journey and unlock its full potential to nourish our bodies and our planet. Let us continue to explore, innovate, and appreciate the wonder of the tomato, a true marvel of the natural world. Thanks for watching. This video is for educational purposes and not a substitute for medical advice. Please like, subscribe, and check the links for additional resources. See you in the next video.